This material here, this is material that they'll use when they're done with the bridge to bring the to do the drainage, the water drainage and stuff like that. All these trailers and stuff like that, these are people that are working on the bridge, and I guess they're from other states. They probably live that way. This is horticulture that came from Hurricane Milton and Hurricane Helene. It's just been mulched up. That's what that yellow machine is, and it's been mulched up, and they have, since this video was done, they have cleaned all that up.